I do have counts of that big accumulation structure that goes 2011 on, but just looking at this in isolation, which looks like a backup on the chart we just looked at, the monthly, that green shaded box there counted up 3,500 to 3,700 with an 1825 count low, 1625 low, and this counts up 3,500 to 3,700. And we have been looking at this chart. This chart was actually drawn in March of 24. And then what I did is I took the bigger count of the whole structure, because my tendency to be more conservative and take these things in segments. And so the yellow shaded area goes back to 2020. That is a beautiful count. It's very orderly, it's range bound, it jumps out on strength with good volume. Look at the volume off the bottom starting at the beginning of 23. You so want to see that in a point and figure chart. And it's almost hard to look at point and figure now without volume. Now remember the 4850 we just talked about, which was a smaller count structure. Look here, we take the whole area of the yellow shaded zone and we count that across, which is 37 columns at 3-box reversal, 25-point scaling. We get a count 4,400 to 4,775. And we had 4850 from the count that we got on the smaller structure that we did. And then of course you just see this remarkable launch, which we saw in the monthly chart, and the incredible move we've had.